Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing an isolated environment so dependencies won't collide. Create and activate a virtualenv, then upgrade pip, setup tools, and wheel so installs are reliable. Once done, pin a package list file requirements. TXT with exact versions to reproduce installs. Make sure to check your Python interpreter path in your editor or IDE now, because installing into the wrong environment is common and wastes time. You now install and manage packages. Pip install specific versions to avoid surprises or use requirements files for projects. Once installed, run pip check to spot dependency conflicts and pip list to confirm versions. If you need upgrades, pip install upgrade package or edit requirements and reinstall. For reproducible builds, use hashes or a lock file. Make sure to test imports in a Python REPL immediately, because import errors reveal. Complete the workflow by freezing exact versions and committing requirements or a lock file so builds match across machines. Run your test suite and quick import checks to validate runtime behavior. Once everything passes, document install commands for teammates. If something goes wrong, first recreate the virtualenv and reinstall. Next, confirm which Python executable is active, then clear pip cache and read pip error logs. These steps often resolve the majority of install and import failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.